In the last video, we created our bullet in Photoshop, brought it into Unity, and wrote the logic needed to propel the projectile forward. In this video, we'll make the player controls for shooting, spawning a new bullet every time our player fires. Drag the bullet game object we made in the last video into the project panel, making it a prefab. Then delete the bullet from the scene. Next, create two empty game objects, one for the left gun and one for the right gun. This will be the location we spawn the bullets from. Reposition the location of each gun game object to the end of each cannon. Then open the player script in Visual Studio. Add a public game object variable for our bullet and a public transform variable for each of our guns. Next, let's add a void function to shoot our guns. Spawn a new bullet using the instantiate function, taking the bullet game object, the position of the gun, and the rotation of the gun as parameters. Replicate for the right gun as well. Lastly, add an if statement to the update function, listening for input from the user, executing the shoot function when called. Return to Unity and add the bullet prefab to the bullet variable in the player script, along with the location of each gun. Now let's test our game. In the next video, we'll be adding sound clips for when our player shoots in our game.